So Allah has a funny way of showing us how fucked up we became as Muslims, the Ummah. Okay, how we have been weakened to the extent that Muslims will be faced to humiliation across the globe. Okay, Muslims who actually introduced science, technology, mathematics, chemistry, astronomy to the world. Now, Muslims will be minimized to be enslaved or to participate in enslaving Muslims. And through the technology of military surveillance and electronic weapons that these demons will be using to control the minds and the behavior of humanity in general. But Muslims will be targeted around the next, I would say around the next 5 to 10 years.